Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a collage on iPhone for wallpaper. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select wallpaper. After selecting wallpaper, I want you to scroll across from your current wallpaper and you're going to tap on new. Once here, you're going to tap on photo shuffle from the top left hand corner of the screen. Then from here, you can see the option. You can either select people, cities, a random album, or you can tap on select photos manually. For example, I'm going to change the person. So I'll tap right where you see one person and I'm going to select a different person. After you have done that, you can select whether you would like it to shuffle every hour. So you're going to tap where you see shuffle frequency. You can choose to shuffle it every hour, unlock, or only when you tap on the screen. I'm going to select on tab. Then from there, you're going to tap on use featured photos at the bottom of the page. After you have done that, if I were to tap on it to preview, you can see how it looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.